In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this super cute 3D heart. For this project, you will need some yarn. I'm using a cotton yarn, but you can use anything. This is a perfect project for destashing and using up all of your scrap yarns that you have. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook for this yarn, but use whatever crochet hook that matches your yarn. You also need a pair of scissors, a darning needle to weave in all your ends, and some stuffing to fill your heart with. You also need to know how to crochet a magic circle, single crochets, increases, and decreases. Let's first go and grab the pattern. You'll find it over on the blog, Amigurumi Patterns, and I think actually this is furthest away on my blog. It's an oldie but a goldie 3D amigurumi heart. Let's pop that up in the corner. Okay, let's start with a magic circle with 6 single crochets. And I do my magic circles by doing 2 chains. And then in the second chain from the hook, I make my 6 single crochets. But you can use whatever magic circle or magic ring method that you prefer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the second row, we are gonna crochet 1 increase in each stitch all the way around until we have 12 stitches. And to do an increase, we just make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So that was our first. And the second, and continue all the way around. On round 3, we are gonna crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat that 6 times until we have 18 stitches. So 1, and a increase, and repeat that 5 more times. Like so. On round 4, we are going to crochet 2 single crochets, 1 increase, repeat that 6 times until we have 24 stitches. So 1, 2, and a increase, and repeat that all the way around. On the next 5, 6, 7, 3 rounds, we are gonna crochet 24 single crochets. So 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, after 3 rounds, we are gonna cut off the yarn and weave in the yarn ends. And then it's done. No, I'm just kidding. This is only the beginning. Okay, pause the video here and make a second half square, but leave the yarn attached to that one. Okay, so I have made a second sphere, so now we have 2. And I also weaved in the end from the beginning on this one. So the next thing we are gonna do is we are gonna attach these 2 together with 4 single crochets like this. So put them against each other like this, and then we're gonna go through 1 stitch on the first sphere and then in the other one. One. 2, 3, and 4. Let me just check the written pattern. Yes. And now we are gonna continue to crochet around these 2 spheres, and in between them there is gonna be decreases, but we are gonna come to that in just a second. We are gonna start with oh, another thing, you should now have 40 stitches in total. So if you want to go ahead and count, do that now and then come back and we will continue. So on the next round we are going to crochet 40 single crochets, so 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, on the next round we are gonna crochet 1 decrease, 16 single crochets, 1 decrease, and repeat that 2 times until we have 36 stitches. So let's start off with the decrease. I'm gonna do invisible decreases, so only in the front loops. And then 16 single crochets. And then a decrease. And then a other decrease. And then 16 single crochets again. And end off the round with a decrease. like so. On the next round, we are gonna crochet 1 decrease, 14 single crochets, 1 decrease, and repeat that 2 times until we have 32 stitches. And 2 decreases. And then 14 single crochets. And end round with a decrease. So you might start noticing a pattern that there are always 2 decreases in between the squares on both sides, and the rest is just single crochets. So on the next round, we are gonna crochet 1 decrease, 12 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat that 2 times until we have 28 stitches. So starting off with a decrease and 12 single crochets. On the next round, we're gonna crochet 1 decrease, 10 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat that twice until we have 24 stitches. On the next round, we're gonna crochet 1 decrease, 8 single crochets, 1 decrease, and repeat that twice until we have 20 stitches. On the next round, we're gonna crochet 1 decrease, 6 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat that twice until we have 16 stitches. Okay, on the next round, we are gonna crochet 1 decrease. I already did that. 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, and repeat that twice until we have 12 stitches. And after that, we are gonna stuff our heart. It is starting to take some shape. Very nice. It will look even better when it gets some stuffing. And if you feel like the hole is too small, you can just frog a couple of stitches. That is good. Let's finish up with the last rounds. So on the next round, we're gonna crochet a decrease, 2 single crochets, a decrease, repeat that twice until we have 8 stitches left. If you want to, you can crochet a last round with 4 decreases if you feel like your hole is too big. I think this is enough for me, so I'm gonna pull out the yarn end and then I'm closing the hole by weaving through the front loops of these stitches. It makes a really tight and pretty end. And if you want to make this into a keychain, you could pull this yarn all the way through here and then sew the keychain on in the middle of the heart. But I am gonna leave it like this, so I will just weave in the yarn end as usual. And there we have it! Isn't it cute? I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, I think you might also like my 2D heart tutorial or any other amigurumi tutorial that you'll find on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!